Alright, so we're going to talk about evaluating now. There's two different types of evaluating. The first is using the change of base rule. So, for example, if we had log base 2 of 7. This is not anything that we would be able to find out on our own. You cannot solve it without a calculator. However, you cannot solve it on a calculator unless you use the change of base rule. So, the change of base rule said either use log or ln, I'll just use log, of the big number in size over the little number in size. So what is the big number in size?
7.
So log of 7 over log of 2. And you just put that in your calculator, like so.
Number is on top usually?
Yes, the bigger number in size is on top.
Bigger number in size.
So I'll do an example in a second.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Log of 7 over log of 2, that gives us 2.81, and I just want to show you that if you did ln, use ln for both of them, it would also work. Same answer. So, because the ratios are the same. Now, what I mean by in size is, like, let's say we had log base 3 of 10. Even though this, no, sorry. Log base 4 of 3. Okay, even though this number is bigger in number, it's smaller in size. The smaller number in size goes on the bottom.
So, like, you literally mean, like, size?
I literally mean, yeah, how big it is size-wise, yes. So, log 3 over log 4. Make sure you close your parentheses here if you don't. So, here, if you don't, it'll screw it up. So log base 3, close the parentheses, divided by, log of 3 divided by log of 4. And that gives us 0.79.
Doesn't matter.
The very end one, he's correct. You don't need to close the parentheses. I mean right here. If you don't close the parentheses here, it'll screw it up.
Okay, thanks for clarifying.
The other type of evaluating you need to know how to do is this. Let's say they have a problem like, log base 3 of 100 minus log base 3 of 18 minus log base 3 of 50. And I can wait for you guys.
Wait, why would it be log?
So, I'm going to use the rule. Since these are minuses, where do these go? Okay. So this would be log base 3 of 100 divided by 50 times 18. Okay? I'm going to reduce this first. How many times does 50 go into 100? And then how many times does 18 go into 2? How many times does 2 go into 18? Thank you. 9. So it'd be 1 over 9. So this is log base 3 of 1 over 9. Now, this thing can be solved. Okay? We'll say equals x, and remember we're going to put it into exponential form. What is the base here?
3.
Good. What is the exponent?
Or x, sorry.
X equals 1/9.
Definitely -3.
Okay, I would like for everyone to listen. The answer is not -3. That's the wrong answer. Okay? This would be 1 over 3 to the what power? This would be 3 squared, and then to put it to the top, you're correct. You would make this number negative. So 3 to the negative. As you can see, the bases are the same, so the exponents have to be the same. So x has to equal what? -2. So the first type of evaluating was using the change of base rule. The second type was using the rules and then reducing it as you should know how to do from the last section. The last section.